Alright, so I'm here for day 3 of my gratitude playing cards, and so I'm going to get started with the background, and today I'm going to do I'm going to just paint the card and make some marks and things with it. What I got there, it's like some dried paint or something. Alright, what did I do with my, oh, here it is. Here's my stencil. So what I like to do, the technique that I like doing, is to kind of off-center the stencil and then come back in with a different color of paint. It kind of gives it a cool effect. I'm using some blue metallic paint. Kind of gives it a cool look. It's kind of a blurry look, but I kind of like it. So now I'm going to go ahead and start thinking about what I'm going to adhere to this, and I am grateful for the ocean, for bodies of water. I love water. I love going to the beach any chance I get. Unfortunately now I'm living in the high desert of Nevada, and there are no real beaches. There are lakes and things, and so I'm grateful for those. And you know, I do go back to California from time to time, so I like to take that opportunity to go to the beach. So here's one of the beaches in Santa Cruz with one of the lighthouses there. And so I'm going to go ahead and glue this on, and then I will show you the next step. I'm going to outline the picture here with a food ball pen. So there's a favorite store of mine called Junkie. It's located in Midtown Reno, Nevada. It's a really cool area of Reno, and there's some really eclectic type shops and stuff. And Junkie is a really cool, one side they have vintage clothing and costumes and stuff like that, and the other side has antiques, vintage ephemera, that kind of thing. And so I picked these images up at one of the booths because they each have different vendors that sell their wares. And so I picked this up, and so because I like the beach, I'm going to put her right about here, kind of off center. But I'm not going to adhere her down. I'm not going to like glue her down, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a brad And so she'll kind of dangle a little, you know, she'll kind of swing back and forth a little if I were to hang it up somewhere, the card somewhere. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do that off camera because, as you can see, I've made a mess here and I still have some wet paint. I don't want to put the pad that I used to puncture holes in on the tabletop. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I have put the die cut in. And now I'm going to put, this is a piece of washi tape from a piece of, yeah, it says Aloha. Aloha. I'm going to put that down here. And then I'm going to print out what I'm grateful for. And I'm grateful for the ocean, for the beach. Oops, that's a little bit crooked. Oh no, I see what I did too. Dagnabbit. I smeared it. The pen wasn't quite dry and I smeared it, but that's okay. I can save it. Yeah, it wasn't dry. It's not adhering properly. This is what happens sometimes. I'm just gonna have to try to get it all off here. And go over, back over. I'm going to use a Sharpie this time. Sharpies work better on material like this. I don't have a black Sharpie, but this is a really dark blue Sharpie, so this will work. I have to redo this one part, I think, because I don't think I can get this off of here, can I? And it's probably lost its, well, maybe not. And please excuse the barking. Our neighbors next door have these dogs and they like to bark, and the neighbors actually put a pet door in the wall of their house. So the dogs basically have free rein and they're very annoying. They just will bark at anything that moves. So I apologize for the barking. All right, so there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed my third day of my gratitude cards, playing cards, and that you'll come back and join me. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye, Toodles.